This presentation on Oracle Management Services, How to Avoid Outsourcing Pitfalls, is provided by OneNeck IT Services. Outsourcing Oracle Management Services will continue to become a viable strategic choice among more and more companies. The pressure is on for businesses to leverage their ERP applications to improve processes and ultimately have a positive impact on their bottom line. However, as outsourcing continues to grow in popularity, companies need to be especially careful not to fall into any costly traps. Probably the most important factor in successful Oracle Management Services is selecting the right outsourcing vendor from the beginning. The wrong partner can be costly, and changing vendors can be a difficult transaction. The most important qualification for an IT outsourcing provider is to have a proven experience in the required application environment. For Oracle Management Services, companies need a service provider with verifiable expertise in Oracle applications and widespread experience managing Oracle environments. Finding certified Oracle partners is an initial step in identifying qualified candidates. If companies focus on qualifying criteria with the most impact, they have a better chance of securing the best relationships with an Oracle Management Services provider. Rather than evaluate a plethora of qualifications, businesses should focus on answering at least the following 8 questions. 1. What are the outsourcing firm's service offerings and how do they measure in terms of quality and reliability? Number 2. What is the Oracle Management provider's level of application management skills, and does the vendor have access to new technologies? 3. Can you verify the expertise, technical skills, and resumes of the outsourcing company staff? 4. Does the Oracle Management Services company have a good reputation, track record, references, and other third-party objective endorsements? Number 5. Does the outsourcing firm have a global delivery capabilities and facilities strategically located? 6. Does the vendor's pricing provide the necessary cost savings and value? Number 7. Is the Oracle Management Services provider financially stable and have an adequate funding to ensure they'll be around for the long haul? And number 8. Is the outsourcing company's corporate culture a good fit with the customer's executives, technical staff, and end users? The next criteria for companies evaluating outsourcing providers is assessing the vendor's performance measurements. Often performance criteria are spelled out in the agreements with specific metrics. To ensure the best partnership, the outsourcing agreement must include a detailed description of services and the measurement criteria to be used for performance evaluation. Having issues with the scope of services after an agreement is in place can put a strain on the relationship. Therefore, both parties must develop and agree on a comprehensive set of services, deliverables, pricing, schedules, and performance levels. In addition, contingencies must be detailed out in agreement. In other words, what penalties will occur if certain performance levels are not maintained. Finally, an important part of an outsourcing arrangement is maintaining the vendor. Although the outsourcing company will be assuming the work is clearly defined in legal statements of work, they will still need to have open channels of communication with the customer. Active involvement by both parties will ensure project goals are met and the relationships can move forward productively. Outsourcing Oracle Management Services will continue to grow as more companies realize the value of not having an entire in-house operation. As time goes on, outsourcing is expected to offer more cost-efficient and value-justified application management solutions. About the author. Chuck Vermillion is CEO and founder of OneNeck IT Services, a leading provider of hosted application management and managed services since 1997. For more information about Oracle Management, visit www.oneneck.com today.